How is going on there? I hope you're doing well. I hope you're doing fine. I hope you're doing well. I hope everything is great with you there. So, what are you up to, guys? What are you up to today? What is your news? How was your weekend? What did you do there yesterday? So, let's go to our main things, what I want to discuss today. And this is gold. So why gold has surged to recovered and record level of 5,100 for ounce. Let's check. All right, so gold now is go back and it's $5,000 at the moment. It was a momentum when gold reached almost 5,000, not almost, but 5,100, but let's go back again. So why gold has surged to record levels, which is 5,100 for today? I'll tell you why. So record high about 5,100 per ounce. Gold recently soared past 5,100 at ounce, the highest level ever recorded in the world. So as investors rushed into safe haven assets amid global uncertainty and geopolitical tensions, a weaker US dollar has ongoing economic concerns also boosted demand. So safe haven demand, political and economical uncertainty, which are, I told you about it yesterday, so including trade tensions and fears about US policy instability. So pushed many investors away from riskier assets into gold, traditionally seen as a protective store of value. So extended rally, as I told you, as extended rally, precious metal like silver have also hit record levels, underline brought straight in the safe haven category. So geopolitical tensions and dollar weakness, continued tensions in a global market, and a softer dollar made gold more attractive compared to other financial assets. The question is if the gold gonna crash. I don't think it's gonna crash. I don't think so. Hi, how are you there? How are you doing there? Are you okay? So I don't know what's your name. Pritam, the hacker, Pritam. I remember you. You was before also attending my classes. I don't think the dollar gonna crash. I'm thinking that gold is gonna do consolidation. That was gonna happen. Yeah, already before talk about this today. So I think there's no any crashing. The gold will do consolidation. Look here, the price was just the same since 2013 to 2019. It was just consolidation, doing consolidation, ranging, slowly ranging. So the same will happen with the gold, I think, here now. It's gonna just do a consolidation. That's it for many years, or waiting for next something next changing again. So I think the best is just hold it, and if you don't have it, buy it for you. It's not gonna crash anyway. When it will drop, good question, good good question, guys. When it drop, I don't think they're gonna drop. I told you. I think the gold is gonna do a long-term ranging. This is what I think. And actually, analytics will say that the gold will go. You think just dollar cost average if you buy here? What do you mean? I'm sure, guys. I'm sure that this is not the end of the game. This is what I'm thinking. Okay, this is my personal thoughts. You may think differently, but I think it's gonna just a little bit go up again. And actually, I've been reading for many analytic models for today, and everybody say that it will go up until 5,400 or even 5,500. The interest is still strong to a gold. Sorry, I don't know why I mispronounced. I mean gold, not dollar. What do you wanted to know about dollar? Dollars get weaker. Dollar get weaker, as you see that. Dollar became weaker just because of the gold became stronger, and the dollar became weaker, as always happening in the world, always this way. So what I want to tell you that if you hold just gold, just hold it. That's it. Guys, I hear Ali Mola Trader. I'm just really be happy, guys, if you just will stay with me here, or if you just welcome. Also, please welcome with me, guys. Welcome in my private group. It's for free. If you will enter my private group, can you just type the link here if it's working? This is my Telegram channel. You can ask me privately, because in the end of the week I will not be online for a while, so I will be able to answer only in Telegram. So if you will have any questions, you can ask me in Telegram channel. Please don't hesitate to follow my Telegram. It will be really encouraging for me, for everything what I'm doing. Yeah, and keep holding gold, because as I told you, many analytics and forecasts for gold, they all expect and banks give mixed, by generally they say what they say. It's a bullish trend. It's still bullish trend. The rally not end yet. So some forecasts expect continued growth toward even new highs, as I mentioned to you. Maybe it's gonna go for 4,500. 5,400. So even more. It's depending on how economic and geopolitical risk evolve. If they again announce another war, another instability, or another something will happen again, which will happen, I'm sure, then the gold will be even more stronger. The interest to gold will never stop. So this is just it's a rally and continue, guys. And what will happen later? The dollar just stop growing. That's it. They just stop growing and just keep consolidation, keep ranging, and will range for many years, maybe many months for sure. Maybe, I'm not sure about years, but many months, like it was before here. You can see, guys, and from the price from Monday, it was 1st July, 13 to 19, 2019, nothing changed. It was the same price almost. And in many situations like that, you can notice many years it was ranging. If you go back, there was time it was ranging for a long. So this is what I see, how I see. Thank you for watching me, guys. Thank you for watching me, and please follow my group. I still don't see in my group. Why I don't see you guys? I want to see everyone in my group just right now. Please follow, guys. Please follow. We'll be happy to see you there. Okay, let me just open in my Telegram, the group. Can you just follow their link? I don't see that you follow. Is it open for following or not? Let me know. Is it okay for you to follow, or it's closed? So let's go to other news. So yeah, even analyticals always say that they're gonna slightly more conservative, suggesting just other long-term forecasts. They say that it's slightly more. They think that suggesting a broad range as a market fluctuates. So what else I want to know? I want to tell you today. Sorry for my English, because I'm not a native speaker, guys, and for me it's hard sometimes to talk in English. What I want to tell you that let's talk about this interesting thing. What I want to tell you. Let's talk about in the interesting factor that can influence on the market. Yesterday I was saying about the weather. If you're really trading often, you will notice one interesting thing, that interesting factor that can influence the market. The weather can really influence the market. And yes, it might sound really surprising to you guys, but for example, let's just look at the price of gas. And you see here the price of gas. The prices are really different, right? It's plus 6%, plus 6, almost 7%. And let me just change time frame. So you can see from 6th January, this is huge growth of gas. And why it's happening? Let's talk about this. Why it's happening, guys? What do you think? Why it's happening? Well, I want to just tell you that that extreme weather events like hurricanes, floods, and wildfires can really disrupt supply chains and damage infrastructure and affect companies and affected regions. And this often leads to short-term drops in related stocks. But exactly now, what is this? What is actually going on? This is a seasonal pattern, guys. Seasonal pattern also matter here super much, and as well as this weather condition. What's going on now in US, it's really incredible. So that's why the price of gas is going really up. You can see here, this is going up, and this is not a surprise for you, I hope. It's always leads to short-term drops to related stocks. Seasonal patterns are really important. So retails, for instance, tend to see higher sales during warm, sunny months or holiday season, which can boost their stock prices. Did you see that? In the sunny weather, the people are really more likely they buy stocks, and the price for stocks are higher. And energy markets are heavily influenced by weather as well. Colder winters can increase demand for natural gas, as I show you here, and also heating oil, pushing energy stocks and future higher. Conversely, a mild winter might reduce demand and lower price. Did you know that? So I'm asking you, I'm kindly asking you guys to be always updated, because this is really important, guys. It's important to be updated and to be in. Why it doesn't open? Doesn't open. Okay. It's open like this. Just a moment. I just opened a few. So all right. Let's open oil and see how it goes. Oil. All right. Maybe it's not too much, but it's still. When it was the most peak of oil, it was August 12th. I don't remember exactly what was happening August 12th, but something might happen in that time. So as I told you guys, it's very important. You can easily predict all the prices if you know in particular stocks. Of course, not every stock will influence on weather. Gold, of course, they don't care what is going on in the world, and others, but some of stocks are really can change with weather conditions. So normally energy markets are heavily influenced by weather. So colder winters can increase, as I told you, natural consuming of gas and heating oils, and of course the prices it became more higher. And when you have nice weather, it's always became lower. So investor mood can also be affected by weather. So studies have shown that sunny days can lead to more optimistic trading behavior. Did you know that? While it's rainy days normally may make traders more cautious and selling. So even something as simple as a heat wave, snowstorm as is happening now, or unusually warm season can ripple through financial market and influence indices sector and individual stocks. That's why when analyzing the market, it's important to consider not just earnings and economic data, but also external factors like the weather, because they can sometimes have surprising effect on the trading. So right now, what's going on? Right now, we have significant winter storm and is affecting large parts of the United States, of course. And a powerful storm named Fern is bringing heavy snow, sleet, and freezing temperature from the southern rocks and through New England. So this weather is causing energy production and cuts and higher power prices, of course. So utilities and energy infrastructure are at risk, of course, and especially in the cold regions, guys, where the consume is even higher. So due to increased demand as possible outrage. So in city like Chicago and New York, where I am actually, the temperature are well below freezing level, and in some areas wind chill makes it feel even colder. So this widespread cold and extreme weather isn't just inconvenient, it can have measurable impact and financial marks. So this is why I tell you that even the weather can affect. So for example, let's check the most indices where how the weather can influence. Okay, here are some ways this kind of weather can affect major stocks indices like S&P 500 and Dow Jones and Nasdaq. Okay, let's just leave the oil, because oil, we understood that oil and gas the most affected, especially gas. As we see the price of the gas at it's a lot different from even December 25, from 61,500 to 100,800 for today, the price. Let's check Nasdaq and let's check S&P 500. So S&P 500, what's going on with S&P 500? So energy sector volatility, extreme cold, increased demand of heating and electricity, which can push up energy prices. However, if production is disrupted, like crude oil and natural gas output, falling energy stocks can become volatile. That forces broader indices to react, since energy companies are a big part of major indices. So utilities and infrastructure stocks serve winter conditions, strain the power grid and utilities. If companies like electric providers face outages or higher operating costs, their stock prices can drop, pulling down index performance. So we see here S&P 500. What can you tell me about that? What do you think? What do you think about this? What is happening just right now? I'm waiting for you guys, the answers. And I'm still welcoming you in my group. Welcome, welcome, welcome in my private group. You can just screen the screen, my screen, or just go to my channel. Go to my channel. I will be super happy, guys, to have you there. All right, just go there, because I'm not gonna be here for a while. I'm gonna go to a trip, so I'll be back in a few days. And if you're interested, just message me here, because I will update news here. I hope you understand me well. So just let me know, guys. Let me know what you think about all this. Have you noticed the weather changes the market, or didn't notice ever? I hope you did. Guys, please, this is your holy, and I really want to help you guys, and if I can, so just message me, guys. Message me. You can find my personal page. Just go there and just message me. All right. Okay, so I opened for you guys. I opened for you my private group and my private yeah, my private channel. Here's my name and my number. I don't know how to open here. Also, you can go via link. There's a link here. You can see Intercontinental Trading Lab. Go there, just add me, and let's keep in touch, guys. Let's keep in touch, because there are many interesting topics I want to discuss with you. So let's go to market impact summary. The market impact summary, here's how you might say it. Right now, much of the US is under significant winter weather. As I told you, this is cold snaps and storms, and systems have pushed energy demand up and production down. So that kind of environment typically leads to a volatility in the energy and utility sector. Seeing these sectors are part of a major indices like their S&P 500, Dow Jones, we often broader index fluctuation when weather disrupts supply or demand fundamentals. So investors should watch energy prices, utility earnings, and transformation reports today because weather driven effects can show up in their indexes performance before traditional economic news. Does the future price of gold depends on how global risk and monetary uh, policies evolve? I don't think the gold will change the price if the rain will go, of course. The gold price is stable, but such indices as gas and oil, of course, will change. And if you know this rule, if you know this, you can really trade with it. You can trade with it easily. You can manage that because everybody knows that summertime the prices for gas are lower normally. Let's check. For example, let's check. This is June, July, August. The price is stable here. Stable. April, February. Of course, it's slowly growing. I say yes, but the most growing factors could really be mostly in winter when the people are in need, for gas and oil. And you see it's double, the price is double. Even was 1 year ago, January 25, the price was 2,583. You see here, and now the price is different. Oh my god, it's a gold. Sorry, I show you in a gold. This not gold. I'm not saying about gold. I was saying about gas. I want to say about gas. So let's go and see how the gas is going. So quite the same until December. There was ranging. April, and you see here, even here, the price was higher. Last year, and in summer it was lower. So it's like natural thing, it's completely natural thing. So this is important, guys. This is very important to understand. And I don't say that you have to only buy in summer, but sometimes something unpredictable happening, like today. You see, the price of gas is just going vertically up from Monday, December 21, and today the price is just almost double. It's not almost double, it's double. So who knows? Who knew that before? If we knew that before, everything could happen, yeah? So guys, I'm telling you today about the weather and how it's influenced on our situation with gas and oil prices. So everything very, very connected to the weather, as I told you. But only those stocks what are we call energy stocks. Of course, the price of gold will never change because of rain start. So guys, if you have any question, just write me in the comment section below. Let's discuss. If you still don't understand why the gold reached such highs, I will tell you why. So the record highs about today was happening. It was 5,100 100 per ounce. So gold recently soared past 5,100 as I predicted before. So the highest reveal ever recorded as investors rushed into safe haven assets amid global uncertainty and geopolitical tensions. So a weaker US dollar and ongoing economic concerns also boosted demand. So safe haven as a gold, they are demand, and political and economical uncertainty, guys, always including trade tensions and fears about US policy instability. The people are not sure what's going on tomorrow, so they pushed this instability pushed many investors away from risky assets. Even a Bitcoin, have you noticed the Bitcoin price? Let's check the Bitcoin price, by the way. Bitcoin today, how it's going on? 88, it's going up slightly, plus 1,500, which is 1.76%. Yeah, the Bitcoin is just always going on a deep, and I think it will go deeper again, and just ranging since November. It's just ranging since November, just going this way and down and up and down. It's all the same. So who was waiting to buy it? Who was waiting? Of course it will back the position, but we never know when. It may happen soon. May happen soon, and not now, of course. I think March. Now Bitcoin will not grow, and you know why? It's all because uncertainty, and the Bitcoin is risky asset. They call it risky asset. Even though this asset really deserves trust, doesn't matter. It's still unstable. It's still unstable, and it's risky. Only gold is stable, and other precious metal. The precious metal, the most stable. Let's have a look in the Micron. What's Micron? How is Micron? So Micron is today. What indices? Now it's going a strong buy. The strong buy. And what I want to tell you that yeah, it's growing. It's growing, the bullish trend. It shows in indices minus 10,000 to 2.64%, which is maybe be seen if we open another time frame. This is a monthly time frame. Monthly is just, we call it aggressively bullish, because it's really just going up. We call it aggressively bullish, but this is monthly time frame. As you see here, this is a monthly time frame. If I change time frame, for example weekly time frame, I will see the little pullback which is shown here. It was not seen here because it was very other time frame. It was a huge time frame, monthly time frame. Totally it means bullish, but you see, very bullish, very bullish. But can have some pullbacks. As we see today, it's little pullback. I think nothing will happen It's just another level to grow up higher. So how is going on that, guys, with you there? I hope you're doing well. I hope you have gold enough. I hope you have enough gold to you guys, because I'm really I really wish that. So guys, as I told you that we have a little pullback in Micron. Doesn't really it shows not too much, and it will go back again, so you can be sure, you can relax with the Micron, especially after their information when they announced Micron as national asset. Have you heard about this? That Micron is our national asset, and it means that some of national investments are in Micron. So it's really hold it up, hold it on top, and it will never drop. I just promise to you. I promise to you about Micron. Will never go back again. So you don't have to wait. And if you didn't even think about Micron before, you have to have Micron. I don't know why you always choose some stocks where not really necessary to know even. The most important are the gold, of course, now, and of course you have to have you have to have shares in Micron, of course, and as well as a SanDisk. Forget about Bitcoin for a while. If you have some Bitcoins already, guys, I want your reaction. I want your reaction. I want your reaction. Guys, please, I want your reaction. So how is there, guys? I hope you're doing great, and I hope you're doing well your vacation, your holiday. I want your reaction. There are only 3 people are watching me. Not really popular. I'm not really popular, guys. Give me your reactions, please. I just want to see who is watching me. If I want to see who is watching me, how I can do that? How I can do that? So today, guys, I'm talking about gold, silver, and weather conditions in US, and how it all influence on our life and on our prices for our stocks, guys. As I told you that, oh my god, what's happening? Here's, guys, a SanDisk, what I showed you before. And SanDisk, of course, you should have some shares in SanDisk as well, because it's just going up. It's slightly pullback, But if you don't have a SanDisk, I mean, this asset's really bullish, really aggressively bullish, and it's still bullish, and we don't know when it's gonna stop. So I told you to remember, I told you just not long ago, guys, not long ago, I told you, and Monday 8th December 25, I told you about please get SanDisk, and it will rise up. And of course, it rose double since just 8 December. This rose double. It was $200. Now it's 470. Not even double, but 2.5 points rose just for 1 month. This is something really we have to notice. The SanDisk and Micron, my favorite stocks. So what I want to know I want to know your reactions, guys. If it's interesting to you what I'm saying, if it is interesting, just follow my Telegram channel. Add me as a friend, write me a message. I will be happy, guys. I will be super happy to have you there. All right? All right. So why gold? Let's come back to gold again. So as you noticed, today was super important historical level when the gold rose $5,100 per just a few days, guys. It was completely changing all the history from last month for gold was incredible since it starts long ago, but especially from since Christmas. So we call it Christmas rally, and it's still growing, guys. It's still growing, and this is record for gold, guys, and record high about 5,100 per ounce. Gold recently soared past 5,100 an ounce, and highest level ever recorded in history. So as investor rushed in a safe haven assets, as I told you, amid global uncertainty and geopolitical tensions. So a weaker US dollar, and the dollar became weaker and weaker and weaker. As I told you before, don't keep dollars, don't keep it. You don't have to keep dollars, and stay away for now from Bitcoin. If you have Bitcoin, just keep it for long, because this is not safe asset at the moment, and many are big fat guys, even they sell Bitcoin. But if you have it, it's nice, nothing bad in it, because anyway, it will grow back again. It will grow back again soon, guys. Of course it will, but for now my attention just only on gold and Micron, and of course precious metals are doing great job. Precious metals and memory chips. So let's talk about a little bit about gold. So why it's just growing super high. So as investors rushed into safe haven from all of these not safe assets, from Bitcoin, they start to sell Bitcoin to buy gold, and this is something incredible, guys. There was never such a high demand for gold ever in the world. This is all because of not stability and uncertainty and geopolitical tensions. So weaker US dollar and ongoing economic concerns also boosted demand. Safe haven demand, political and economic uncertainty, including trade tensions and fears about US policy instability, pushed many investors away from riskier assets and into gold, traditionally seen as a protective store of value. If the world crashes, the gold will survive. So this is the most safest asset, guys, ever, and it will never drop the price since very beginning of its existence. You can see this is a dinosaur, guys. This is a dinosaur, and this is always just going up. And in a bigger history, you can see that the price was really the same many years, then just go up, just grow up. Especially now, guys, especially now, there is no any certain situation. So including trade tension and fears about US policy instability pushed many investors, and same as the ordinary investors and mediocre investors, they all pushed away from the risky assets, and they joined gold. They all in gold at the moment, traditionally seen as always protective for us. So extended rally, and it's extended rally from Christmas as well. Precious metal like silver have also hit records level. Let's see silver, and this is of course hit new highs. Yeah. Underlining broad straight in the safe haven category, geopolitical tension and dollar weaknesses, continued tension in the global market, and a softener dollar make gold more attractive compared to other financial assets. So why something gold might fall or correct? Guys, tell me please in the comment section, what do you think? Will the gold go in a correction or not? So let me delete this. What is your opinion, guys? Will gold go in a correction or stay growing? Until when? Because some of insiders, they say it will grow till 5,400 or 5,500. What do you think? What is in your mind? So let me tell you my opinion. So experts and banks give mixed but generally bullish views. It means that dollar will grow more. The dollar will grow more. Maybe not such a rally, vertical rally as I told you, but it will just grow again. So some forecasts expect continued growth toward new highs in 2026, with the targets ranging from around 4,500 up to 5,400 plus per ounce, and depending, guys, on how economic and geopolitical risk will evolve. So other long-term forecasts are slightly more conservative, and they think that it's gonna just suggesting a broad range as the market fluctuate. What do you think? If you have any suggestion, if you have any information, just let me know. What do you think about it? Exactly, my opinion is I think it's gonna hit a new line. Let's just draw the line of resistance, because I believe it will grow a little bit more high, and it will go slightly to consolidation, and it will go ranging to a long-term ranging, as it happened before. Here, when the price of gold was the same since 2013, even earlier, yeah, 2013 to 2019, there was this same price exactly. Yeah. And what do you think, guys? What is in your mind? I want to know what you think. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're doing well. Because yeah, life is always unpredictable. So guys, any news? I want you guys to react. Give me some reactions and just want to know, guys. I want to know what you think. I'm super excited about what you think, guys. Are you here? Oh yes, I see people coming. Hi guys, hi newcomers. Hi everyone. Hello. How is going on there? I hope you're doing well. I hope you're doing well, guys. So what we're talking about, this is a gold rally, and I'm really in it. I'm really in it today. Because actually everything happening what I was predicting. This exactly what I was predicting, and I want to know your opinion. There are two ways of gold. It's gonna go up, or it's just gonna go down, or it's just gonna go to consolidation. My opinion is it will hit a new record soon, and new record's gonna be 5,400, and then it will go for a long-term consolidation and ranging. What do you think, guys? You don't have to listen to me 100%, but you can just give me your vision. And also please subscribe on my channel. I still don't see anyone subscribe in my channel. Please go through the link if you can. Go through the link and just subscribe. All right, so it's not hard. Okay, I hope you're doing well, guys. I really hope you're doing well. I hope you are just okay. I hope you're still here. I hope you're still here. So how there? I hope you're doing well. I hope you're doing well. I hope you're doing fine, and your vacation was great. I hope your holiday was great. Christmas holiday gone already, but we still have those nice mood, nice Christmas mood. And yeah, and it's gonna come New Year, of course. Actually, in Asia they do a really big holiday and events about their about this. And the year, of course, is gonna be the year, of course, for us. It will bring something as superpower, super speed and everything. And but important, don't really burn yourself, and follow your purpose, guys. Follow your purpose. As I teach you, always come with a purpose. Never just go without. If you want to be successful trader, just go with a purpose. Follow and just do your best. Do your best. I wish you really best, guys. I wish you best. I wish you the best. So what are we talking about today? We are talking about their gold rally, which is almost unstoppable. It just really happened. It's really happened. $5,000. It's under our eyes. It happened last evening. It happened. I've been witnessing this, and I was really celebrating it because I think for us it's nice. It's nice, guys, and for those holders who hold gold for a long term, this is a nice present from the market. And what I'm gonna say about that, I think it will not stop, guys. It will not stop because people feel this safe haven demand, and political and economical uncertainty, including a trade tension and fears about US policy instability, and pushed many investors away from risk, and because it's risky assets, all bitcoins and other things, they are super risky, and the precious metal are the most safest. Let's check silver as well. The silver also just hit a new highs, new records level, underlining broad strength in the safe haven category. So geopolitical tensions and dollar weaknesses, as we saw, the dollar really became weak, and also Bitcoin dropped again. Now it's a little bit pullback. It's getting better. Just show me. Let me see. Yeah, the Bitcoin is a for long ranging story at the moment. The Bitcoin long ranging story, and we don't know when it's happened, when it's stopped. But I think that it's gonna happen in March. This is my prediction. Now it's ranging. You see, the ranging means the same, almost the same price for a long. It's gonna range till I guess till March. Till March, then it will go up, and it will go up super huge bullion way. So if you're interested in it, just follow me, guys. Follow my page, because I'm really doing a great job, and I'm helping the beginners, and also what I'm doing, I'm just I can help you maybe a little bit somehow, and this help is for free for now. Nothing you have to pay for now. So just join my group, join my channel. I don't see you guys. I don't see you. Why you are Okay, so
Okay, so
how is going on there, guys, with you?
how is going on there, guys?
I hope you're doing well. I hope you're doing well. So guys, join my live stream, guys. Join my live stream. Join my live stream. And join my group as well. Hi, hello. Sorry for a late reply. Sorry. Hi, guys. Hello. This is just everything. It's all about gold, guys. And I'm thinking, no, it's actually Bitcoin, but I'm thinking about gold. And what I'm thinking about gold is just what we gonna wait from the gold, guys. What you wait, what I wait. Just let me know. Let me know, guys, what you think about gold. As I told you, the gold is just record high, and record high is about 5,100 per ounce. Gold recently soared past 5,000 yesterday night. 5,000, and this is historical level, guys. It's historical level, so we have to take care about this and take it seriously. So the highest level ever recorded from all the life. And as investors, it's all because investors rushed into a safe haven asset, and the gold is this the most safest asset ever. Okay, so guys, are you still here? Are you still here? I hope you're still here. Just leave me a message if you hear me well. Because today we have something what happening in the gold rally, and everybody try to just buy the gold a lot. Yeah, hi. What's the time frame? I don't have particular time frame. It's a weekly time frame. Just I want to show you the gold rally, the gold price. And as I told you before, I think the gold will reach new levels. And also some insiders already go through all the news and what they say. What do you think first? Tell me what you think. Will it go in correction, or it fall, or just what you think? Will it go higher, or just tell me? Tell me what you think. And why actually gold has surged such record levels? As I told you, this is safe haven, guys. Safe haven demand. And it's all because of political and economical uncertainty, including trade tension and fears. This is all about fears, all about political uncertainty and risky assets. They try to go away. Everyone pushed many investors away from the risky assets because of the fear, and the traditionally still seen as a protective store of value. So it's like extended rally from Christmas. A precious metal like a silver already also have hit record levels, underlining broad strength and in safe haven category. So what do you think, guys? What do you think? And I'll tell you what I think. If you want to know what I think, I cannot give you financial advice because everything what you comes to money, it's all up to you. You do your own research on investings, and just you are responsible about your own money. But guys, I want to tell you something. I want to tell you that gold to move higher if we can break past and close 5,030, 5,060, you think? The price is for now, it's about 5,000. It's going down. It's going down. It's going down, yeah, because already it's oversold. But actually, I've been reading through many and use many informations, and all they say that analyticals experts, they all banks give mixed but generally bullish view about the gold actually. So some forecasts expected continued growth, by the way, toward new high in 2026. Some of them, they say it's gonna rise until 5,400 or even higher. So this is not my opinion. It's just experts, what they say. There are two groups of experts. Some of them say they grow faster and higher, and some of them they say that it's just will be a long-term consolidation. So it will reach a level of resistance, and it will go for long ranging from many years, like it happened before. It happened before here. There was time when 2013 to 2019, the gold was average price was just 1,300 something, 1,200. It was all the same since super long time. It was 6 years. So as we predicting, and here also the ranging period from 2020 to 2022, 2023, also it's ranging period as you see here. So this rally will just lift gold to new highs, and I think of course it's gonna range and it's gonna be side trend. Okay guys, do you have a lot invested in gold? Do you have any assets, other stocks? What are you in? Because now everybody try to run away from a risky asset. They try to buy as much as they can gold for cheap price, because now the price, maybe tomorrow you will say this price is cheap. As you notice, the gold rose for $100 for just one night. Just one night. Guys, are you interested, guys, to pull back? But what pullback are you expecting? What a pullback are you expecting? What exactly pullback? And what do you think about Bitcoin, by the way? Do you have any thoughts about Bitcoin? Because it's ranging for a super long time, since November. It's still the same price you see here. So what we gonna expect from it? I'm just in my opinion, now everyone tried to run away from Bitcoin because it's a risky asset. Even it was successful last years, it's still risky. And just like that. So everybody tried to put the money on safe places. Let's see platinum, by the way. Platinum. No, Bitcoin, I think Bitcoin will rise in March. I will keep my note for Bitcoin and just see later. March. I'll just keep my note here in TradingView. I always make a note in TradingView for later, it's very convenient. After you can back again here and just see, it's very nice. You can see later the price, and I think March. You think Bitcoin will go up again, then go down again? But now it's already 88. It was down. It's not a big difference. 83. Yeah, of course it is different, but I mean I'm talking about really huge bullish rally, like really huge aggressive bullish signals. I think March. I don't know why, but I think March. If nothing will happen again, because we don't know, everything can happen, geopolitical problems or thunderstorms or rains happen or whatever. Actually, guys, did you know one thing, funny thing? Actually, I had one nice information about connection, the price of stocks and also with the weather. So let's talk about this interesting factor that can influence the market. This is the weather, guys. Weather, yes, you might sound surprising to you, but I'm telling you, it's very, very interesting. The weather conditions also very actually can impact stock prices super strong, and also investor behavior. This is just the psychology of a buy and sell. The people in the sunny weather, they're more bullish in everything. And when it's rainy weather, they become more bearish and selling, and the market became more strong, more sad. It's funny, but of course we can't predict the weather in every city, every state is different. But some extreme weather events like today's happening, or something like hurricanes, floods, or wildfires. Do you remember the wildfire was before so strong? Of course, it can disrupt supply chains and damage infrastructure, and it's all effects on the companies, guys, and all effects on the companies, regions, and all effects on prices in our stocks, especially especially what connected to energy. So this often leads to a short-term drops, guys. Short-term drops, and airlines also. Airlines change the price. Airlines shares always become cheaper when they have something happening there. All can be also more expensive in some ways. So always weather is a signal for us to buy or sell. And also seasonal patterns are important, like gas, for example. Let's see gas, because gas is also interesting at the moment, guys. Keep your eye on the gas. You see how the gas grow from 25 December only. It became super high. And grow about $50, something like that. So it's guys, it's 76%. 76.58%. It's all because of needs of gas, the seasonal pattern, and also their weather condition. So retails, for instance, tend to see higher sales during warm weather, sunny weather, and sunny months or holiday season, which can boost their stock prices. So energy markets are heavily influenced by weather. This is really true. Did you know that? I hope you knew. So colder winters like now can increase demand for natural gas, as we see it here. And the price of the gas really became like twice more expensive. Twice. And this is mean something. If you knew that, of course, you can buy it before on a dip. You can buy it earlier on a dip here in April, or even here in October. It was nice price. Yeah, makes sense, of course. And you know, you can predict the market. Of if you knew these things, you can predict the market, because it's logical. You know, it's logical. Why the gas growing? Why? Because we need to be warm. We need to be stay in good places and warm places. So natural gas and heating oil as well, pushing energy stocks and futures high. And also, this all connected to energy stocks, not like gas only, but there are some energy stocks. Let me tell you which ones. I will tell you which ones. I will tell you. Just a moment. Guys, what are you holding? Just tell me what are you holding? I'll just watching for which you want to show you more. So of course, there are many of them actually. There are many. The traditionals are oil and gas, but there are many. Okay, me too actually. I bought it. You know how much I paid? I paid 104. 104, and actually I sold it because I saw, you know, there doesn't move the price. I didn't like it, and I needed money that time, so there was a mistake. It was my mistake. So guys, where are your location, by the way? Where are you at the moment? So you keep BTS for how? Okay, nice. So what time is there, by the way? Nice. Are you traveling like? Is it your place to live, or you just have holiday there? Actually, I love Europe. I came from Europe as well. I'm not American. I'm not native. I came from Europe. What's the weather in London at the moment? Okay. It's evening. Nice, nice. That's good. So, do you live there or just traveling there? Guys, I have actually, I want to tell you that we have. Okay. Actually, can you check for me if my link is working? Please, can you check, because I checked and my link doesn't work. If you can just push and see if it works or not, just tell me now, because I'm about to argue with my team, because they set up for me the link, they helped me, but doesn't work from the phone. If it's work from the computer. Maybe if it's computer you can, but from the telephone I cannot do that. And you from the phone, okay, and from the computer I will ask. Okay, I will ask them. Thank you for telling me that. Thank you, really thank you so much. So what about England? Do you understand easy what they say, what the speech and everything? And by the way, do you hold European stock? Do you hold any shares in European stock market, or just mostly American? Or you don't care about? Have you noticed when their Trump wanted Greenland, all the European stocks was really on a big dip. It was cheaper. It was nice move to buy actually. Okay, I got it. So you're a day trader. All right. So what are you trading? What's your last trade was? I'm going really bullish in the micron, by the way. I'm mostly swing trader, but sometimes I do a day trader too. But the micron is really something amazing. I sold it long ago, but I'm just regret I should keep it for longer. The micron is amazing. And I think they will just go even up and up. No any pullbacks. All right. During Asia session, BTS buy and okay. When is Asia session? When? So you just live in Asian time and follow Asian sessions when? What time is it normally? If I may ask. Guys, thank you for watching me. Thank you for conversation. Really, I'm really growing up with you guys together. When it's nice when we share something together and with some experience, guys, as well. Because okay, that's why you don't go sleep. Nice. So you are trying to go Asia session. Let me check in the GPT. The Asia session is the Tokyo time, yeah? What time? Tokyo session, right? Yeah, I got it. And do you follow American sessions or just Asian sessions? You trade only for Asian sessions, by the way. Nice English. I never been having English guys in here in chat. Interesting. So many people write me. I was busy, guys. I was busy. I was out. So many people was asking me something, and I lost you guys. Okay, that's great. That's really great. So please, guys, if you can, just follow my group. If you cannot, don't follow. Just it's up to you. Yeah, you can write me message. Yeah, you can write me personal message as well. And that group, you can find my own Telegram address, and it will be happy to just stay with you, keep in touch together. And so what else? Let's just talk about something. Just ask me a question. Let's discuss about a little bit about something. So what actually you are preparing for Asian session in 1 hour? But I don't understand. Yeah, I know. I see. I know. I say to the guys why it doesn't really work. Maybe from the computer only it works. That's why. Because from the phone doesn't work, right? From the phone. Well, let me try to open it from the computer, by the way. Just let me try. Why it's happening this way? Because actually the people supposed to just click on there, and I was surprised no one click on there. And now I understand why. It's just because it doesn't work. That's it. Okay. Alright, I open in computer. Okay. Yeah, it works on a computer. I understand. So it works in a computer. Okay, just I'll close it here. Yeah, I got it. I got it now. What's problem? So you cannot join my channel from telephone, and you can do it only from the computer. That's why it's all mess about. All right, guys. It was really nice to host you here. I'm so happy to host you here. Maybe I'll just go in 20 minutes or 10 minutes. I don't know. I haven't had lunch yet, or dinner, sorry. And it's hard for you, don't sleep. You don't sleep at nights and you just trade in Asian time. Do you have your own London streaming? You think you was able to join? Yeah, I able to join from the computer only, but I cannot join from telephone. From laptop is possible. Yeah, yeah. From telephone, no, only from the computer. Yeah. All right. So what I want to tell you that just, guys, I wish you safe trades, safe and successful trades. Actually, is it your full-time job, by the way, or just partly time, or you just fully in trade? You don't see my face, you can see my hand. I don't want to open the face today. I know I'm not looking nice. Yeah. Thank you. It's art time for me. And what is your main job, by the way? Can I ask if you can ask this question, personal question to you? Tell me, please. What is your job, and and how long do you train, by the way? And I can tell you my story as well. Business manager for the logistic industry here in London. But you're originally from London, or you came from somewhere else? Because I know there are many immigrants living from other countries. London is nice, maybe it's expensive city. It attracts a lot of people from abroad. Yes, I was born and raised here in London. Nice. That's good. That's really good. So 3 days a week, you mean weekends, right? Weekends. But today is no weekend. It's Monday. It's Monday. I think it's Tuesday already, yeah, in your place. Or it's it's gonna be Tuesday. All right. Of course you cannot trade in the weekends. How you can trade if it's closed market? I'm silly, sorry. Oh my god. No, I mean your days off. Maybe you don't break from Monday to Friday. Maybe some days are free. That's why I'm saying. Because how long does it take for you to trade for a day trade? It's just all the day, right? All day long you're trading. Because day trading, I know you have to focus on it for a minimum of few hours, right? On a screen. Okay. Monday to Wednesday, and can day trade while working?
All right. And how is the income? Is it okay for you? Like how much you can do 1 month? And I will tell you how much I do. Is it good? How much you can? It's all depend. And have you tried scalping technique? Because I knew some guys they do scalping, but they're so not really much people they do scalping. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, for me too. It depends because now it's good because of Micron. I had a lot in Micron invested in April, by the way. And in April, the sum of some my friend told me April is a day X for investing, and Micron is doing really great as you see here. But I sold it a bit early. I wish to keep it longer. Hi Ronnie, hi guys, I'm happy to see you again, guys, really. Hi Ronnie, how are you? This is your new account? Okay, I trade prop firm and live accounts. Okay. Yeah, it's nice income, by the way. It's nice additional income. That's for sure. I agree. Completely agree. It's old. All right. Okay. How is your day? How are you doing there? How is your trades? How is your day? How was your weekend? By the way, what have you been doing there? The snow is crazy. The weather is crazy. I hope you're safe. You stay safe and warm. What about weather in London, by the way? Did you have snow for Christmas? Yeah, nice. If still learning. Have you got my guidance, what I send you? Okay, yeah. I never been in London, by the way, actually. I want to go to London, guys. I want to go London. One day I will. I just got out a 4-day course. All right, so what did you learn in that 4-day course? And how much did you pay for it? Was it costly or? Oh, nice. Where did you take the course? And have you had opportunity to train already? Nice. I will just screenshot for myself. I'll check it. I'll have a check. Swedish Wealth Institute. Swedish. So why Swedish? Are you from? I had a lot of speakers. Nice. Okay, I'll go through it today. Guys, really, thank you for coming. I appreciate, guys. I have to go soon, just in maybe 10 minutes. But I don't want to leave you. Now we have a nice conversation. Nice conversation. I'm a bit sad because, you know what? I was actually inviting people to my... I created a fan group. Not fan group, I will tell you, like, my group, okay, for trading. And the link didn't work. And this is what I'm mad about. Send me, please. Yeah. Can you send me in TikTok or in Telegram? Actually, add my Telegram. You can have here. You can try to copy. If you go through the computer, you can copy the link and go to it. If from telephone, it's not possible, unfortunately. So I've been mad about this because I settled the link for my group in Telegram and it didn't work, and I didn't know about that. I was saying to the people every day, come to join my channel, and I see my channel doesn't grow and the people not adding me. And now just today I realized that this doesn't work. If you come from telephone, you cannot click that link. Crazy. This is all comes when you start streaming. Yeah, send me a link, please. I will be happy to see that. Okay, okay. Where you will send me? Tell me where. In here, I don't think that you're able to message me here. Only in Telegram or in TikTok. Nice, nice. Also for free, right? Okay, okay. Thank you, Ronnie. Thank you so much. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching me. And really, I think I gotta go. I don't want to leave you guys. I don't want to leave you now. Hey guys, hey. Thank you, Ronnie. Thank you so much. Send me now so I can have a check. And better even send me in Telegram. You can see here my link, Intercontinental Trading Lab. It's just information service. Like I post some news about trading. So you can add in a Intercontinental Trading Lab, and there you can find my personal page as well. Just go through it. Go to my personal page. And let's connect here. You still can write. Why? Here is my personal page. Just screenshot. Fans can't write. No, now it's open. Try now that it's open. I hope. This is my personal page, by the way. You just can screenshot and add later. I don't know, I have to settle, guys. It's my mistake. Sorry for that, but I will fix it for next time, okay? I'll fix it for next time, I promise to you. All right, so I gotta go right now and hope to see you later. It was really, really nice for me. The fans can't write. Okay, I will screenshot this as well for my group who are responsible about settling, because they said me settle something really not okay. Thank you for writing me. Thank you so much. All right, so see you later. See you later. Okay, bye. Have a safe trade, by the way. Make money and be happy. Miss you on Crony. Bye. And Ronnie as well. Bye.